welcome back to my YouTube channel. We're gonna play this. Yeah. It's very easy. You can fly, bro. Okay. She's locked. Ooh. This is easy. This one's easy. This one's a bit harder. Oh, I did it. Let's try. I don't know how I do it. It's really hard. Like, I don't know where to go. No buses, no buses. Go around through the cave. Okay, we're going here, I guess. I thought I was gonna fall there, so no. Okay, we're going here. Okay, we're going here. I never made this part very fast because every time this happens, this one, I fall. And it never happened. Now, yeah, now we go there. Okay, we go here. 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 Ooh! That was a scary jump. Oh, I can't, no. Okay, we're going back there. This is very hard. Oh, no, hell no. Okay, that was pretty hard. Took me so up. Nope, that's not happening. We jump like this. Oh, how are we gonna do this? I'm a bird. I think this I thought that would just lead me like trap. Okay, we're going here, I guess. Okay, now we got this. Okay, where are we going? Oh. Okay, this is very fun. This way. No, he's still down there. That's weird. How do we get there? Wait, let me see. If I go down here. Oh, the ladder's here. So I must make a jump. Holy. Oh, come on. We jump here. Like this. We go on the ladder. Okay, now we go here. We go here. We go here. Okay. Not so hot. Oh, this is damn hot. I'm not responding all the way there. I didn't want to respawn. Okay, we're not using shift lock now. Okay. Speed running this. Okay. Now this part was annoying. What the? I didn't touch it. I need help. Oh, nah. Okay, we go here. What if we went here? Okay, that's nothing. Wait a minute. Let me go something. Bruh, I want click to move. That's the thing. I want click to move. Okay, we're not gonna touch it. I'm not touching it. The hardest part. I'm just gonna pick follow. Oh, I'm scared. Okay, we can't touch it. Okay, I want default. Okay. Okay, never mind, not this. Classic, yeah, bruh. Classic is the best, anyways. Yeah. Now this is the hardest spot. Oh, this is the hardest spot. Yeah, this is the most hard part for me. I hate this. I hate this. This is why I hate it. Okay, we're going to try at home mode. I'm gonna say nothing for a long time, so yeah. That's why, okay? Shit, bro, my kakak's talking, so yeah. Try hard mode. Boom, 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 boom. That was easy, bro. Okay, now we must do this. Oh. I'm not gonna move. No, he died. Okay, I did it finally. Okay, now you can touch that. Cool. Cool. You go here. Okay. Bro, this guy's so pro. Okay. Oh, where'd he go? Oh, we have a checkpoint. Okay, let's go. Not the cave again. Okay, we go here. Go here. Go here. Bird. Guys, you're supposed to go up here, dummies. Come on, get up. Okay, now I actually don't have nowhere to go. Where do we go? How do we get? Oh! Oh. Bro, what the hell? My sister sings the worst song ever. I have nowhere to go. Okay, let's go here. Oh, that was damn hot. Okay, we go here. I'm waiting for my blue guy. No, where'd he go? Where'd he go, guys? Oh, I guess he died. So yeah, there's no point. Yeah, what the? Oh, we must go up here. Bro, my hand hurts. Okay, we must go in this hole again. Okay, let me just zoom in. Oh, this is hard. When you think fast. Okay, let's go there. Go. We have so many options to go. Okay, it's there. Oh, we must go up here. What the? Okay, we have a checkpoint spinning clouds, okay. That was easy. Okay, let's go up here. Go here. Go here. The butt. Now where? Bro, this was a scam. Wait, nah. I think let's go here now. Oh yeah, I'm supposed to go here. Go here. Go here. Jump! No, 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 no. 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 No, what the hell? Where the hell am I supposed to go? I'm just gonna... You what? I can just jump there. Okay, that's not possible. Why did I do that? Okay, I'm just gonna end the video here. Bye, guys.